All right, so what's up, Dominoes Seven here? What's up, bro?
What's good with it, bro?
All right. I mean, Craig Mack passed away.
Very.
May Craig Mack rest in peace.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, that's terrible.
Yeah.
Hmm. I, I ain't saying though. You never know, bro.
Nope.
Mm. I like these songs, bro.
Yeah, nice song.
Yeah, making moves with Puff and get down, flavor in your ear, jocking my style.
Yeah, check out the brand new Flavor in Your Ear. That was the song.
Yeah, I know. Hmm. Hmm. You know, you know something, bro. Never thought I'd say this, bro. Hmm. You know, I miss Nala so much, bro. Care about her so much, bro.
Sonny, yo, she,
Who that is?
Sonny, she right now. Well, now she's like, she's out of her mind, like she
Out of her
crazy,
mind.
bro. She's like,
All right. Well, now not only that I miss Nala, bro. You know, think I love her though.
the right click, what the fuck is this?
I don't know, bro. I don't know that I miss Nala. I love her though. I love that girl ever since she came in my house, bro.
God,
What? What's wrong?
nah, people sending me clips on fucking Facebook.
Love that girl ever since she
Yeah, I've been going
came walk in my house.
yeah,
I felt like it was heaven, bro. Hmm. I mean, I don't think that feeling would ever go away, bro. And you know what they call? They call her Pooh. Her nickname is Pooh. You know, like Winnie the Pooh.
yeah, I know.
Yeah. I don't know why they call her that, but I like it. Yeah. I mean, I care about her so much, bro. I never thought I would care about her that much. I mean, I started
You
caring.
still on live?
Am I?
Yeah. I'm asking.
Oh! Oh, I forgot I was live, bro.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, right. What you mean? I forgot. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I forgot. Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. Wow. Me and my big mouth. It's a possibility she gonna watch this, or somebody might tell her what I say.
Let's get one day straight.
You hear me?
You want to watch the wrestling in 2000, you're out.
Damn it.
On Kid Rock, it's a reference. American Badass is one of the most iconic wrestling games ever.
Let's stop this.